boss. Like a boss.
I got my package, y'all. I got my Haloview camera that I had ordered, and I'm so excited. Now I just gotta figure out how to put this bad boy up.
Like a boss.
Y'all ready to see what's in
Like a boss.
this box? Look what I got. Look what I got. Y'all should write me too. I've been checking my P.O. box. And I haven't been getting no pen pal letters. I'm waiting on somebody to let me know, like, hey girl, what you doing? I'm like, what you doing? What you doing? But bump all that what you doing and all that. Yes, that's my P.O. box if y'all want to know what it is. Let me sit it there for a little bit. Let's open it up. Let's do a package review. So let me find my scissors. I always keep scissors handy. So now we got to pretty much, you know, they sealed it up pretty good. So when you order, this came from a company called DHL. That's who delivered it. And I got it real quick. It didn't take much time. I think it came in like 3 days. So come on, let me try to angle y'all so y'all can see me open up the package. Then when I open it, I'm gonna try, let me stop that word. That's not a word, right? I'm going to install it. So once I can get this thing open, now, then we can do some install. So let's open our toys, guys. And I am going to leave the product name at the bottom of my description. So if you're interested in the backup camera / security camera, you guys can, of course, feel free to get it. So, alright, still cut. Wait a minute, I want to cut myself now. Oh, there we go. Yay. Okay, wait a minute. I'm in there. Alright, okay. So, we getting there, guys. We're getting there. So, this is what it looks like. Sorry. This is the specs of it. The resolution is 800 × 3 RGB × 480. The contrast is 500. The brightness is 400 CD/M square. The viewing angle is U50/D 70, RL70. The aspect ratio is 16.9. The channel is channel 4. The operating frequency is 2400 through 2483.5 megahertz. The receiving sensitivity is -89 dBm. The decompression form is MPEG4. The latency is 120 ms. Transmitting distance 120 meters. Micro SCTF card max is 128 gigabytes. The system format is PAL/NTSC. The power supply is DC-10 -32 volts. The power consumption is a maximum of 6 watts. And then the loudspeaker is 1 watt/8. What is that? Hertz? Y'all tell me what that is. Or it say 1W/8. I think that's a hertz. And then you got the operating temperature. It can't go below -20, or it can't go above 70 degrees. So I'm definitely gonna have to have this truck running because I don't want to mess up my nice Haloview camera, y'all. But you got the storage temperature. You can store it to -30 to so it can go up to 80 degrees. Okay, cool. Packaged it pretty good. So this is what it looks like. Hold up. Let me give y'all the tease real quick. Hold up. Then you gotta do a slow motion. Hold up, wait a minute. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. See, look at that. This is what it's gonna look like. So from what I was reading about it, it say that it's easy install. So 2.4 gigahertz digital wireless monitor camera system. It has a MC7101 wiring free. So it's wiring free, guys. Forget all those wires. Bluetooth, automatic code pairing, IR LED for night vision, split screen display for 4 cameras, and it's video recording. So now we gotta open this. So come on, guys. Let's open this real quick. Let's see. Yes, you gotta be excited about security because I'll be God almighty if another somebody right on my truck whatever again. So wait a minute. Hold up. Still got some options here. I bet you how much I want to bet that I can handle myself to where I don't let a cuss word flow on this segment of the video, because I don't know if I said anything in the other clip, so we're going to find out once I do the review. So, alright, so now we have to open it. Those are the features. Wait a minute. Okay, so I'm excited, guys. This is a nice camera. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. So this piece pretty much slides open.
Like a box.
And then you have the antenna.
Like a box.
Like these are pretty much the antenna, of course, for receiving. So
like
it comes with 4 of them. No, I'm sorry, guys. Looks like it comes with 3. So it must be 3 cameras on the inside. So this is the directions, user manual, and this is all the specifications that I read off of the box. The main thing I'm looking for is the directions. So let's get everything out first. So let's see. So this is the bottom part of it, and I showed you the receivers. So let's get those out. This is the camera itself. And this is all the brackets that come on. So this must be the AV port. So this is Haloview.
Like a box.
Alright, so let me trust you. Get everything else out.
Like a box.
And this is the mount part. So this has adhesive.
Like a box.
And this is where the camera would mount onto.
Like a box.
And this is pretty much the inside LED display. So remember I was saying, dang, I wish I had a camera, because if I had a camera then I could have known. Who rode on my truck. So now once I get this bad boy installed, I will always be able to have sight of what's going on the outside of my truck. So once again, the brand, can y'all see that? Haloview. So I'm just trying to get all the pieces situated, make sure that I don't forget anything. These are the wiring for that. And then we got screws. And then this must be like the TV mount. So, okay, so it had 4 receivers. Matter of fact, I think 2 of the receivers go on the face of the camera. So I'm believing that it goes like this. So this piece goes, this piece you see right here, it slides on the back of here. So it's a mount. It's just probably just like a GPS. So I'm looking at the instructions right here to try to see how to put this together. And these are all the pieces that pretty much came with it, which is the face mount bracket, the holding bracket, the screws, and the wiring, and the mount. And this is the face. So basic operation, installation of center mounting bracket. Adjust monitor level by sliding the support to desired height. So we have to slide this on. Kind of just adjust it so it can be like this. All right, so that's cool right there. So I'm just screwing it, tighten it down, and that should be set. And then you just sit it like this. So now that I've got the position that I would like, now I'm going to tighten this down. So now we got to figure out the wiring. So now we got our U bracket. So we already put this back piece on. Now we're going to simply put on our U bracket, which is this piece right here. So we got our U bracket. Now we got to find our screws, which is this right here. So this gonna be a lot of clips, guys, so bear with me. So it has a total of 4 screws so that we can mount our bracket. It goes pretty much like this. I guess it can go on either way. So now we're gonna put the screws in.
Like a bounce.
So it's pretty much self-explanatory. I mean, of course you have the directions for any confusion, and I'm sure you have customer service number. Or you can just get your husband to. If you got a husband, you should get your husband to put it together. But I don't have a husband, so I'm putting this together. But even if I did have a husband, I'm just so, you know, like working with my hands that I'm going to do stuff anyway because, you know, I just like to get stuff done. So, all right, let me finish screwing this bad boy in. All right, that's screwed in. It's pretty easy installation. Pretty self-explanatory. So every time I pause you guys, it's because I don't want to waste footage. So each step is going to be kind of like a clip. All right, so got the male and the female adapter. So you know, of course, these go together.
Like a bounce.
But make sure not to bend the prongs, because there's nothing worse than bending the prongs on an electrical connection, and now you can't get that connection to work. So now we got that wiring hooked up. Let me try to set this here and connect the rest up. Alright, now we gotta install the antennas. Remember I showed y'all the 3 antennas at first? So you gotta have your antennas to get your signal. So there's 2 antennas right here. 1, 2. So we're just gonna screw those on. And it says that antennas should be vertically lined to the ground. Make sure there is no obstacles around antenna. So this makes me feel like I'm Mr. Inspector Gadget. Remember when Inspector Gadget, he had all those gadgets to do his missions? Make me feel like I'm about to fly on my feet now. I'm Inspector Gadget. Alright, so I'm fancy now. I'm fancy, huh? Woo! Alright, so we got our antennas on. Now we gotta put the one on the camera. Oh, this one. Oh, you know what? This lets you know which one it goes on. You see right here? So this is blatantly goes on the monitor. So this is a monitor, you know, obviously. So let's screw that on correctly. I'm guessing they take different outputs of signal, and they are different lengths as well. You see, this one says camera. So this is our camera. This is very solid too. This is good material, guys. So this is weatherproof to where, you know, if this can get through rain, sleet, snow, whatever your truck is, you're gonna be secured. So no more writing stupid F on my truck no more. Whoever did that still ain't caught that son of a gun too. I want to cut so bad. Alright, so the last but not least thing that I'm trying to figure out is the wiring piece. So this is DC 1032 volts. I'm trying to figure out which way do it go, because right now I'm currently looking at this So this is kind of giving me tips. So magnet-based extension antenna should be attached on the top of the vehicle. Make sure there's no obstacles around it. So the wiring part, I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, so I figured it out. So this piece right here, there's it's two sets of wirings that come in this box, and this piece right here, you know, it looks like a computer cord, and it only has the negative and positive cable. So this one, so pretty much hardest installation part out of all of this is going to be the wiring. All right, y'all. Now I got to get a ladder because I already know where I'm going to mount the thing. You know how when you guys got your truck and y'all got cable on it, and you pretty much want to put, you know, put the cable dome on top? That's where I'm gonna put the camera, so that way it'll pretty much sit right at the top of my truck, and it'll pretty much look like a little bird picture, like doo, 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 doo. So yeah, I'm about to mount this bad boy. As soon as I get a tall enough ladder, I am in there. So I shall return. Look what I got, y'all. Hopefully this thing is giving me good mic check. Like it's pretty much made. It's called U-mic. So you know how when I made that pre-trip video and it was super windy, hopefully this will give me more to where y'all can hear me more clear, you know, more clear and everything. So I shall return.
Like a bounce. Like a bounce. Like a bounce.